Hey everyone, we have a new mini scrapbook album here. We made it with the Baby Mine collection made by Echo Park paper. It is about 8 inches by 5 inches and about 1.5 inches wide. And the front and back covers and the spine are made with chipboard to make it extra sturdy. And so on the front here we have this pocket with a little tag that was made with chipboard. It's extra thick. You can put the baby stats on that, insert a photo or two in there, put a photo here on the front. This is also kind of an accordion album, and there are magnets in different spots to help things stay closed, some spots to put photos, and this collection is really cute. It has some of the nursery rhymes on it. So this one is the Hey Diddle Diddle. This is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And it's going to open up. Some spots for photos, some journaling. And then we have a waterfall with spots for you to add photos, journaling, attach little cards, anything you want to add on there to remember your sweet baby boy. Then over here we have a couple of little pockets with some tags that you can pull out. Put your own little touches on there. Some more spots for photos. And then this is a pocket with another nursery rhyme. This old man, he played one. And then this tag pulls out and it has Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on there. We attached some of the stickers from this collection on chipboard just to raise them up a little bit. And then these are pockets with some journal cards that you can pull out. You can add your own things in there too. When you were born, we thought you looked like mommy or daddy. You can fill in the color of eyes, small mouth, small nose, just whatever. It's a really cute collection. And then here is another waterfall with some more spots for photos and journaling. And then close that up. If you like this video, be sure to click like and hit the little bell button to be notified of future videos. And thanks again for watching.